PC Screen Capture is a program that you can use to capture your desktop. No installation is required, so I'll Google it. Go to the website. Under features, you can see it says no need to install. It can run from USB. So I'll click on download. Click on download here. So right click and show in folder. I'll close the browser and I'm going to cut and paste onto my desktop. I'll right click and pin to taskbar. So click on it and there it is. Although I don't need to install it, I'm going to keep it in my program files, so I'm going to create a new folder. So open Windows Explorer and I'll cut this and I'll paste into the M to R subfolder. Click on Administrator Position to move the folder. It may not be installed onto my computer, but there it is. If for some reason I lose this from the taskbar, there will be a copy of it in program files. So I'm just going to click on it. And here is the program. Now I'm redoing this tutorial, so if things look different, that's why. I'll capture the desktop. So here is the desktop captured. I'm not going to save that. This is a video of my cat Lennox. This is a back scratcher and he's on a leash so he doesn't run away. I'm going to click area. We'll go up to the top. You click, drag, and let go. Here is the capture. Now we'll save as. Save as Lennox. Click Save. So here is the active window. We'll click Active Window. And here is a result. This black bar is because of here. See, there's a printer. So we won't save that. Now for select object, it turns into a finger and I'll point to here. And I guess there is the captured object. So that's a bit about PC screen capture. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.